Hi there, students. Cabotage. Cabotage, an uncountable noun. Okay, this word is linked to transport, business, and law. Cabotage is the transport of goods or people inside a specific country. Yeah, but inside the same country. Yeah, and then legally, it's the right to transport people within a country. And then cabotage is protectionism. It's the right to limit transport of goods and people inside your country to national companies. Okay, so for example, in the United States, I'm certain there are lots of laws about cabotage. It means that only domestic US companies can transport people between 2 points within that country. And there are rights of cabotage. The laws limit this transportation. So let's see, you could have a company that makes its money by cabotage of passengers. Yeah, a national bus company, for example, National Express in the UK. Their business is cabotage of passengers in the UK. And then cabotage, these are laws or policies protecting competition from foreign carriers. You can also use cabotage as a nautical term, and this is actually more linked to the origin. This is where ships go from port to port within a country, staying within the within the coast, staying beside the coast. Yeah, so cabotage. This word itself comes from French caboter, meaning to sail near the coast. And that itself comes from the Spanish word cabo, meaning a cape. So cabotage originally is sailing from port to port, but within coastal waters. Okay, not going out into the deep sea. So navigation or trade along the coast. Let's see, cabotage in ancient times was much more common because you need a much bigger ship to engage in longer journeys at going through the high seas. Okay, so cabotage, a set of laws limiting the transport or preventing the transport or licensing the transport of goods and people by foreign companies. So yes, in this country, the rights of cabotage are restricted only to national carriers. And this, I think, is very common nowadays in the airline industry. Okay, so cabotage, to reserve the right. I think nowadays it's particularly common of air traffic, but in the past this used to refer to sea traffic. As to formality, this is a formal legal word. I'd probably give it a 7.5. I don't think most people are going to actually know what it means. So if you use it, you're going to have to explain it. Let's see. A semi-formal business conversation, a semi-formal or formal writing, and no more. Okay, so cabotage, transport within a country. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cabotage.